Well, Centenary, I'll welcome our guests from LSU Health. We are great partners with them, and formalizing this agreement is really historic, and we're really excited. And I'll have some more to say in a minute, but David, you want to introduce your team?
Yeah, so I'm David Lewis. I'm the Dean of School of Medicine, currently the Interim Chancellor, and I'm very happy to have Dr. Wanda Thomas with me. Dr. Thomas is an Associate Professor in Pediatrics, but she's also the Associate Dean of Admissions, which obviously is critical to our school. She sorts through 6,500 applications to whittle it down to 150 students, okay, to kind of put it into perspective. And Dr. Wynn is an internist down there, and he has joined us and is currently the chair of the admissions committee. And so when you have to go through 6,500 applications, you guys have an unbelievable task, and you pick some real winners. And we're very, very excited to be here today. So.
Well, we're excited to have you. I have beside me Dr. Karen Soul, the Provost and Dean of the Faculty, and Dr. Scott Cheerhart, the Professor of Biology, and he is responsible for our pre-med students and does such a great job. I misspoke. Dr. Soul is the Dean of the College, and is her accurate title. Again, we're just very excited. We've really treasured the long partnership with the medical school at LSU. We're mindful that they are trying to grow. We are certainly trying to grow, and this just offers a great opportunity for our students to have very clear pathways into a great medical school. We're going to be training physicians that stay here in our area, and it's really a point of pride for us. Obviously, we've all seen and are excited by the new construction on the medical school campus. We're going to be having some shovels in the ground here shortly for our science facilities, and we're excited about that. And then finally, I just want to extend my gratitude to Dr. Lewis and Dr. Tate in Baton Rouge, and all the way up to Dr. Kim Hunter-Reed, all of whom have expressed an understanding of the importance of private colleges in higher education and the important role that our sector plays in educating the citizens of Louisiana. And I just want to acknowledge my real gratitude for, again, a recognition of what our sector does, and especially Centenary. We're coming up to our bicentennial here in a couple of years, and we're really looking forward to our third century of providing great education. So with that, we can do our business here and,
sounds like a plan.
Sign. I think we've taken the pins for a test run, so
okay. We did. There we go.
That would be bad.
I think there's just we'll send one copy down, and then we'll.
Okay. That's good.
Well, we're very excited about this partnership. Centenary has always been a great partner of ours, and we anticipate this growing over time. I think this is the beginning, and we're very optimistic that as our school grows, and we do plan on growing in the future, up to 200 students, that we feel that these kind of relationships will put more students here at Centenary. We know they'll get a great undergraduate education and be able to come out and ultimately learn from us and practice in Louisiana. That's ultimately what my charge is each and every day, is to put out physicians and researchers and allied health professions that stay in Louisiana and take care of people from Louisiana. And so we're very, very, very excited about this, and we appreciate the opportunity to be a great partner with you guys.
Very good. Yeah. Dr. Cheerhart's on the ground with our pre-med students. I don't know if you want to add anything about how exciting this is. I know you're looking forward to being able to communicate this to prospective students.
I am. This is something that Dr. Lewis and I have worked for a few years now to try to kind of make a pipeline. A lot of our students are very interested not only in medicine but staying in the Shreveport-Bossier area, and so the med school here is kind of the appropriate choice. And so this gives them not only a pipeline into it, but kind of guarantees them that they're at least going to be interviewed by the med school. And so this is a very exciting time.
And I just want to follow up on that and thank Dr. Cheerhart, Dr. Lewis, Dr. Thomas, Dr. Wynn. As Dr. Cheerhart alluded to, this kind of work takes time behind the scenes, a lot of communication, a lot of back and forth that our students and the community don't always get to see but benefit from. And so thank you so much for all of the work that you have done to make this happen.
Wanda, you have any comments here?
I'd just like to say that it's a great day for LSUHS Shreveport and Centenary College. We have thousands of applicants, and Centenary sends us the best. We want to educate the best here in our area and have them provide excellent health care for the community. So we're excited.
Dr. Wynn?
Just like to echo everything that everyone else has already said, and again, it's a great day for LSU and Centenary in this partnership and all. And we do see lots of very good applicants especially from Centenary itself.
Thank you.
Thank you.